Here is how to supply liquidity on SushiSwap step by step. First, open your wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabby, and make sure you're connected to the correct blockchain like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, or BNB chain. Now, go to sushi.com and click Enter App. In the menu, tap Liquidity, then click Add Liquidity. Choose the pair of tokens you want to supply, for example, Ethereum or USDC, or any other supported pair. Enter the amount for one token. The app will automatically calculate the matching amount for the other token. Approve each token when prompted in your wallet. This gives SushiSwap permission to use them in the pool. Once approved, tap Supply, review the details, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. After the transaction confirms, you'll receive Liquidity Provider LP tokens, which represents your share in the pool. You'll now start earning a portion of the trading fees whenever people swap tokens in that pool. To remove liquidity later, just go back to the Liquidity tab, select your pool, and then tap Remove Liquidity. And that's how you supply liquidity in SushiSwap. Decentralized, simple, and a great way to earn passive income. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.